Hi everyone, welcome to Sew the Sew again. Today, I'm gonna try to sew my vest. And the vest getting a little too tight on the waistline. So I'm gonna open up both sides of the vest so we can add a couple more inches for the width of the vest. I will take apart the vest from the both sides. After both sides done, and now we're gonna add something to the center. This is two pieces leftover cut off from my poncho from one of the previous video. First, I'm gonna cut off the piece for little over 2 inches and choose the center line as the middle. I'm adding about 3 inches longer than the vest length itself. Here's the one piece. And we're making one more. The rest will be perfect for a scarf. We just have to cut to the same width as the other side and then sew them together. After finish cutting them, I'm gonna overlocking all the pieces. And then we can bring to the sewing machine later on. And I have one of the decoration piece, the scarf that I never use. So I'm gonna use that for the other side of the scarf. So we have these 2 pieces ready to add on the vest. Now we can bring everything to the sewing machine. We are connecting only outside layer of the vest to the piece. After we got one side, and now we're gonna sew the other side. And we sewing both left side and the right side of the vest the same way. After both sides done, and now we're gonna sew over the open shoulder part. I'm hand stitching up the inside liner. I cut off a portion of my decoration scarf for the cover up the center part. And now the vest is complete. Now I get to wear my vest again. I'm putting the scarf together. I'm basically just adding this old scarf to the new scarf. After they connect together, I basically just turn that over and sew them one more time through this side. After secure them together, and our scarf is complete. Now we got ourselves a new scarf. Here is my vest. I get to wear my vest again, without the scarf or with the scarf. Please check the link here for more sewing projects. I will see you all next time.